Finally. Yeah, I actually got this like 2 days ago, but I only got time to do a recording today. I've said this before, I've started a new job. So that's why I'm not uploading clips. I wanted to do a stream talking about it, but then I got sick. I'm still kind of sick right now. But that's beside the point. I'm coming back. Well, I'm doing uploads again. Starting... Oh my god, let's just tear this apart. There's a sticker here. I removed the package box because I thought that would take time, but seems like it would take time anyway. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna upload again starting next week. I have I'll be uploading Pokemon videos that Subaru streamed. Ooh. Easel stand. Oh, okay. Set of 3. Now on sale. Okay, never mind. Guess it's not included. Anyway. Alright. Ooh. Okay. This is contents. Okay. So this has a sticker. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. I want to keep this intact. Okay. Something back here too. Oops. I'll get rid of that. First, let's open this. I believe this is the stand. Alright. Ooh, okay. Let's just put it down. I don't know what to do with this. This is my first Nendoroid. Now, let's take this out. Oh, all these stickers. Careful. Very careful. All right. This one, I'll get rid of it. And another one. Okay. So yeah, I got sick. I wanted to do a stream talking about my new work, but yeah, since I'm sick, I thought, nah. And I didn't really have much time either. Currently in training. Nothing difficult, but yeah. Okay, there's another sticker here. I don't know what that is for. If you see this here, it's kind of transparent on the camera, but you can kind of see like a difference. But here is one more to close up the package, but I don't want that. I'll probably get rid of this other sticker here too. I don't know. I might be too lazy. Here are the tweets. Oh, and here this is another package. Okay. These are, oh my god. Are you serious? Is there a nurse sticker here? Or tape? Yeah, I call tape sticker. Oh, okay. It's one of those. Oh, alright. Feels smooth. Much better, but this is probably a protective layer. Not sure how good it is to remove that, but I did it. Alright. Yeah, this is the I'm a girl too. This tweet is from Marin, actually, when she took over Subaru's Twitter account. If you didn't know about that, well, now you do. There are probably clips about this. You can probably go find them. I don't think I clipped it because so many other people clipped it already. So I believe this has a layer too? No? Doesn't look like there's a layer, or doesn't feel like it. I think I can kind of see a layer. Yeah. No? Maybe? Actually, no. They feel the same. So maybe this doesn't have a film peel off layer. But I don't know. Alright. I'm gonna put these to the side. Now the main thing, the main body. Let's remove these scissors. Alright. Let's see. How do I do this? Okay. This is not how I do it. This is how I do it. There are like sandwiched inside. In between these two layers. And I don't see any taping them together. And the reason it took me so long to get these this thing is because the retailer in my country took a long time for them to get the stock. Put these here. So there's like this is removable. There's like a protective layer around it. Oh, okay. I see now. So I guess so it doesn't get scratched in delivery, just in case. But if you see here, the head is removable. This is my first Nendoroid, so I'm very scared. Come on. Oh, okay, so that's how you do it. And there's a protective layer here too. Okay, it's fine. And I believe the body is removable too, which is why there's a protective layer there. There's a protective layer on the head too. I guess the hair is removable too. Then it's a good way to guide people to tell, hey, this part is removable, but problem is, how do I remove it? It's a new... Okay, so this is actually static. I thought it was movable, but apparently not. Okay. Oh, okay, never mind, it's movable. It just needs some force. I was being very, very light with it. My hands are kind of shaking. I'll deal with the hair now, since it seems to be the most difficult one to deal with. Oh my god. Let's see if this little book helps. One, oh, it's just giving me details on what I'm supposed to find in the... Okay, oh, there we go, face parts. Oh, it's in English. Alright, I guess you guys can see it without the translation then. I'll check this out later and translate it, but for now... Okay. So, be careful. Face part is removable too, okay. Oh, okay. So let's be careful about this. Come on. Fine, I'll deal with this later. Because for now, just looks like Subaru has a... Okay, never mind, I messed it up. Shouldn't have touched that. I'll just do it. Come on. Come on. All right. There we go. It's funny. I think it's funny. All right. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is the back part. These are the changeable faces. Ooh. Cute. Okay. Now this one. Let's see if this helps. Okay. Sides are removable, maybe? Excessive force will cause damage. Handle with care. Using no more force than necessary. Okay, I don't know how much force that is, so I'll be very careful. I guess they're saying this part, especially this part, the horn and towel. Be very careful there. Okay. All right. But I want to remove this plastic, you know, so guess I got to. Careful. The legs seem detachable too, but yeah, they're probably not supposed to be detachable. Come on. No, right, the arms. Ooh, okay. You know what? No, let's not mess with that. I thought about putting it on, but I want to remove this plastic here first. Come on. Anything here to help me? No? No. Fine. Man. I know these plastic are to protect the figure, but still, it's a pain. Uh-oh. Okay, you know what? Sure. Let's do that. That didn't really help, but come on. Oh, no wonder. See here? Okay. Oh my god. Nendoroids are quite amusing, huh? Oh. Well, that's not the best, but okay, it works, I guess. That's one way to do it. Alright, let's not mess with this anymore then. Sorry, Subaru, for messing up your body like this, but let's see which goes where. This goes here. This goes here. I'm checking the box. Okay. So the red goes on the left. Okay, cool. Maybe that's a bit too deep in. Maybe. No. Okay, yeah, not much movement. But, well, sure. I'm just pushing it in, but okay. Now for the arms. This is the left arm, or right arm actually. Yeah. Oh, this is on the right to the red. Okay. And there we go. Let's see. How do I do this? Okay. Put this here. No, wrong way. Here. Oh, let's put you down. There we go. Okay. Oh, all right. This is quite flexible. Very cool. And there we go. Wow. Nendoroids are very customizable, I know that, but this is my first one, so I have no other customization. And I don't have any other hololive members ordered, so maybe I'll get some more. Very nice. Okay, let's have a look here. There's the duck. Subaru duck. Alright, I forgot the cap. There we go. There we go. Is this correct? Yes, that should be correct. I was wondering. These. And these. How do I put these up? Probably find out soon enough. Okay. This has a tape on it. No, it's not that tape. It's a protective layer. Plastic. And they're quite loose in there. I see. That's why they have a peel in it. Oh, this is her right. Oh, I see. Okay, that's cute. So, pull this out, basically. Put this on. And there you go. Oh, very nice. Okay. Let's see. I guess these are removable. Are these removable too? Seems like they are. These little arm hands. Oh wow. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. And what is this thing? Oh! Do you know what this thing is? Sausage Legend. Okay. And can you get one of these to hold it? Oh, it's the right arm. Okay. Man, can barely fit it in. Yeah. Oh, out of the camera. If you see this, I'm looking at the camera while I'm doing this, which is not advisable. There we go. Okay, I did it better on the camera when looking at the camera, it seems. But it barely gets in there. All right, cool. Now to remove it. Okay, removing it's just a bit easier, but be careful not to break the fingers. All right. Now then, time to figure things out. Okay, so part Q are inserted behind the inner package. Okay. How do I do the Q? Oh, here it is. How do parts B and O, BK and OR work? Okay. Ooh, this thing moves too. Are the wings movable? No, the wings seem separate, but they are quite stuck in there. There's a poop hole. And there's supposed to be something that goes there. Something that... Okay, found it. This thing. Nope, definitely not this thing. I'm worried now because I don't see anything that resembles this. Oh, it's an O part? Okay, O part. Okay, O part. What's this thing? It's supposed to be somewhere. I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh no. Did I drop it or something? Part O reused with parts B. Parts B. The duck. But where is part O? Oh no. Okay, I found it. It's here. Totally separated and totally transparent. Okay. There we go. If you can see it. Camera is not focusing. Okay. So what we do, plug it in. Okay. And it goes here. With the legs like that, it can't really stand on its own. So guess we needed this. Oh man, it barely works too. Okay, fair enough. Now then. Let's do with the big one. If I can do it with the big one, I can make the small one work. Okay. So let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's just like babies cry in Japanese. 緊張してぶっ倒れて気がついたら Okay. I was so nervous, I fainted. Before I knew it, 5 hours has passed. Okay, nice to meet you. はじめまして here. Nice to meet you. Manager of a sports club, Oozora Subaru. Okay, I'm Oozora Subaru, manager of a sports club, basically. Okay, I don't really get it, but Power Manji. Power Manji is basically way to express that she'll do her best with all her power. Yeah. Gamburusu. When will she bring this back? probably never. And I'm an earthling that loves the earth. 지분 watch Q 다이스키 GQG. Okay. This is Kaksan Kibo. Kaksan Kibo is how people spread it or retweet it, basically. VTuber and GQ and Terra. Earth and Terra. So how this works, I'm not too sure, but probably like this. There's like a little gap in here and slide it in, I guess. Man. Oh, okay. Just grips on it. Oh, cool. It's very, very unstable though. Very, very unstable. Okay, it works. That's what's important. It works. And this little part here, it's kind of movable, kinda. So you can angle it differently if you want. And here, put it there. There we go. And then this is like a single stand, but I don't think the duck will be able to. Let's just try it. No, it can't really stand. Actually, okay, its feet are movable. Okay, never mind. The feet are adjustable, so you might be able to get it to stand if you angle it right. Just testing. There we go. Kinda. Yeah, very nice. Okay, it fell. All right, let's change the face part again, just as a practice. Oh, okay. I'm getting the hang of it. Not really for the face, I guess. There we go. And change one of the arms. Wow. All right. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.